Imagine earning money from your balcony just by growing plants that people already want to buy. And here's the twist, some of the most profitable plants are the ones nobody talks about. Today, we're breaking down 15 profitable plants to grow at home, including a few rare but high-demand options. Perfect for beginners, small spaces, rooftops, or even indoor corners. Let's jump in. 1. Aloe Vera. Aloe is always in demand for skincare and herbal uses. The plant keeps producing baby offshoots, which you can sell as new plants. It barely needs water and thrives even in harsh sunlight, great for beginners. 2. Mint. One of the fastest growing herbs. You can harvest every 10 to 15 days, and restaurants, tea stalls, and neighbors always want fresh mint. Perfect for steady small income. 3. Lemongrass. This herb is now popular for detox tea, soaps, essential oil, and spas. Once it settles, it grows like a fountain. You can sell leaves, cuttings, or rooted plants. 4. Tulsi, a medicinal plant with year-round demand. People buy Tulsi plants for their homes, and you can also sell leaves fresh or dried for herbal teas. 5. Chili plants. Chilies are incredibly productive. A single plant produces for months. You can sell fresh chilies, dried chilies, or even seedlings for kitchen gardens. 6. Spinach, a fast-growing leafy green. You can harvest every 20 to 25 days, making it a reliable crop for selling small bundles. 7. Microgreens. These tiny greens grow in 7 to 10 days and sell at a premium because restaurants and health-conscious buyers love them. Minimal space, maximum profit. 8. Oyster mushrooms. If you want something seriously profitable, mushrooms are a top choice. Oyster mushrooms grow in small spaces, require low investment, and fetch a high price in markets. 9. Rosemary. A slow-growing but high-demand herb used in cooking, beauty products, and essential oils. Rosemary sprigs and potted plants sell for good profit. 10. Lavender. Lavender grows surprisingly well in warm climates if you give it drainage and sunlight. Its flowers are used for oil, soap, potpourri, and decorative bundles. Potted lavender plants sell at premium prices. 11. Stevia. Stevia leaves are used as a zero-calorie sugar substitute. Health-conscious buyers love it. Stevia plants and dried leaves both sell well, and very few home growers produce it, making it a great niche. 12. Ashwagandha. This Ayurvedic plant is popular for stress relief and immunity. It grows easily in pots, requires almost no care, and has growing market demand for its roots and dried leaves. 13. Passionfruit vine. Passionfruit is expensive in markets. The vine grows well in balconies or rooftops, and once it starts fruiting, each harvest is profitable. You can also sell saplings because people love growing it at home. 14. Snake plant. Indoor plant buyers love snake plants because they look stylish and survive anything. From a single mother plant, you can propagate multiple pups and sell them as individual pots. 15. Money plant pothos. One vine can produce unlimited cuttings. People buy money plants for office desks, gifts, and home decoration. You can root cuttings in water and sell them with almost zero cost. Extra tips. Start with the plants that grow fastest like mint, microgreens, and chilies. Use recycled containers to reduce cost and maximize profit. Offer both plants and cuttings, leaves multiple income streams from same plant. Promote your plants through WhatsApp groups, Facebook Marketplace, and neighbors. Keep a mix of common and rare plants to attract more customers. If you enjoyed this list, tap the like button. Tell me in the comments which plant you want to start growing at home. And don't forget to subscribe for more garden business ideas and simple home growing tips. See you in the next video.